Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create user charts on FMD 3000 series Ecdis. This will be same for FMD 3200, FMD 3300 series also same. So we will see how to create user chart. This is the display. Now you can see in navigation mode. First of all, we go to the plan mode, click on plan, then go to planning. Then you can find user chart, click on user chart. This is the tab user chart. So these are the options you have. You can use these 6 symbols for your user charts. This clearing line and tidal lines. If you want to make some area, circle. I mean, if you want to write down some safety information, pilot information, for any other information related to your voyage, this label tab you can use. This is the option. We have 6 objects. So this tab showing this user chart, new, and you can select stored user chart from this selection, and we going to make new one. So I will click on new. Now appear in this tab. You can enter name and object names, description. This is a radar overlay. When you tick here, it will display on radar overlay. So, and this is alerts. You can choose these options from your object, for your object, and these notes also, and this latitude and longitude position here. It will come here when you enter some object. So we will see first how to enter some area. As an example, you want to enter some no-go area. So click on this area symbol and just click mouse button left. Just click on and move, click on and move, click on, click. This is how we operate this area option. And if you want to finish, right click and finish. So here you can see the tab. This area is mentioned. This come here area, and you can enter here your information as using keyboard. No, we enter capital. No, go area. You can enter like that. It will go here. You can see no go area. That is how we use this area option. Then this position coming here, this these positions coming here. If you want to change from here this position, you can change the position of the area, and you can enter some description here. Then if you want to delete this one, just go tick here and delete option. Also have a copy option. You can copy this one also and enter another position. So we will check next one. This circle. Just click on circle and enter, and it is move the cursor like that and just click, it is entered. And you can enter middle of this circle some information like that, some information like that. It will display here some label. How we enter this circle symbol? You can adjust this one also, another one, and if you want to delete this one, just click on delete, it will deleting. Then we will check this ABC label. Click on ABC label, and if you want to enter some information like VHF channel, pilot service, some safety information, so just click on where you want to enter this information related to your voyage. Just click and it will appear label like here. Then you can enter some information like a VHF channel 16 as example. So it will, you can see, it will displaying like that. It's very simple. These three objects I show you how to enter. Then also I will go to the line option, this line, and click on line and take, just click, 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 finish. So you can use this option also for some boundaries. If you want to mark some boundaries, some no-go areas or anything, you can use these lines. This is simple. So it is coming here like a line. If you want to delete, just go and delete. Also you can copy it. Position also coming here. This next line, clearing line, you can also same, just click, click, click. This is a clearing lines. This NMT means not more than, not more than. you can use this one. This giving the direction also. This like a bearing. And this tidal line also same. You can enter like that. It's showing the direction, and you can edit from here. Orientation, time, and current, strength of the current you can change from here like this, and position also you can change here. This is the how we entered current. So this is the user chart options. You can use these option in this FMD 3000 Ecdis. 1500 symbols per one user chart. So you can use these things for your route. We can use for, as example, no-go areas. We can mark no-go areas, safety information, VHF channel information, some remarks related to your voyage. So this is how we use user charts on FMD 3000 Ecdis. So guys, this is the operation how we created user charts on FMD 3000 Ecdis. After that, finally we can save this one. Save. Then it will go to the your use chart bank. This is the operation of user charts. So I will stop for today. Thanks for watching my Navigator channel. Subscribe the channel. See you soon with new video.